Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay, you all today are back again. Yeah, but this time I'm going to be doing hair and makeup transformation on myself. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. Yes guys, so yeah, I did a smoky pinkish red. Okay, I'm feeling red and pink these days, so I just decided to create this look for you all. Okay, I'm feeling myself. Okay, yeah, and the hair I've got is from Lumiere hair. This hair was soft when I felt it, when it arrived, but guys, I don't know what's up. When I coiled it, it didn't hold the coil. I don't know, it did not hold the coil, not one bit. And the texture is really nice, but it's not silky enough. Maybe that's why it's not holding the coil, because it feels like hair, really soft, really soft, but it's not holding the coils. Maybe because it hasn't got enough density. Yes, that's it about the hair. Overall, it's soft but no density. Look at that. Yep. So it's a 3-tone ombre hair. So yeah, I've got color 1, color 4 and color 27 here, and I've got black closure. So the closure is shorter, so I've got 10 inches closure. This closure is 10 inch. Okay, yep. And the rest of the hair I've got 218 and 220. 218 and 220 is a body wave hair. Okay, yes, the body wave hair. But I did straighten it and I tried to coil it again, which was not working at all. But yes guys, so yeah, overall, you all, if you're looking for an ombre hair, if you're the type like me, because I don't really like my hair really coily, just like my hair loose wave. So yeah, if you're like me, I don't mind the coil. You might want to get this hair. But if you want to coil your hair, if you're a fan of coily hair, maybe get some other, you can get some of their straight hair, because I've worked with their straight hair before and it was really good. But I don't know what's up with this body wave, or maybe it's the color. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link to Lumiere hair, and yes, all the details to this hair will be in the description box. And for this look, this look is popping. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve this look. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.